Welcome to SwifDoo PDF. Hello everyone, in this video is about how to edit PDF files on a laptop. Searching for SwifDoo PDF on Google, go to the official SwifDoo PDF website. You can download it from the homepage or the download page. SwifDoo PDF supports Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and the online version. Start downloading the Windows version and install it. Run SwifDoo PDF, open the document you want to edit, and find Edit in the top menu bar. Click Edit Text or Edit All to edit the text and images in the document. Text editing supports bold, font change, font size, and color adjustments. Image editing supports adding, rotating, and replacing images. Adding images follows the same method. Adding links, you can select the link box, choose a color, and create web or file hyperlinks. Click OK when done. The crop allows you to select the page range. Click OK after adjusting. The OCR supports multiple document languages and offers 3 output formats. This is the background color option, which supports add, update, and delete background. When adding a background, you can choose a color or an image. Of course, there are many more editing features to explore. You can download and try them out. Follow SwifDoo PDF and subscribe to us for more video tutorials.